Today we are starting new series JavaScript. In this series we are discussing basic to advanced concept in JavaScript and also doing concept related projects. Let's start. First question in your mind, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is high level, lightweight, object-based, single-threaded interpreted programming language. It is used to manipulate DOM manipulation, handle events, manage asynchronous operation, and building dynamic and interactive web applications. And JavaScript also called a scripting language. We can add a small script to web pages to the original design. We can add a script in original design to the web pages. This reason we are called scripting language. And JavaScript widely used for client-side validation, for improving experience and sending data to the server. And JavaScript also called as a browser language. We are support all modern browsers. JavaScript developed by Netscape, a software company, 1995. Next question in your mind: why we learn JavaScript? JavaScript is most important language for web development and allowed to create dynamic and interactive and responsive website. JavaScript also used to both front-end and back-end development. And JavaScript also easy to learn, beginner friendly and huge community support. Main power of JavaScript, we are doing modern framework like React, Angular and Vue and many more. If you are learning JavaScript, then you have a work with full stack development, Android app development, gaming development and many more. What is advantage of JavaScript? JavaScript is run directly in the browser, make fast and efficient. JavaScript make website dynamic, interactive and user friendly. It is very simple, easy to learn, and JavaScript run all modern browsers without any installation. If you are doing performing client-side validation, then reduce the server-side load. This is the advantage of JavaScript. And JavaScript support both community front-end and back-end both. JavaScript is a huge ecosystem, library, frameworks, tools. We can use that web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, and gaming development. We can enable real-time features like chats, notification, animations, and etc. And the next question in your mind, what is disadvantage of JavaScript? JavaScript is single-threaded, which can cause performance issue in heavy consumptions. Also difficult to manage TypeScript for large applications. If you are doing big projects, then setup and configuration is too much lengthy and complicated. JavaScript code is always visible in the browser, so anyone copy and view it. In JavaScript, you are doing DOM manipulation, so your performance is very slow and to the compare other operations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.